Hey friend, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here at the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a lead called Seagull, and it sounds like this. If you want to check the MIDI, that's pretty much the MIDI, so you can check it this in isolation. Now, if you want to check it in context, a bit louder. And if you want to get this preset, you can get it over here in the description below in the Serum 2 Feelings Pack Volume 2 that is available at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial, and we're going to initialize Serum, and this is how it sounds like. We're going to start by choosing here a default shape saw, and this is how it is at the moment. And we're going to put the unison a bit up. The detune a lot up. Level a bit down. Pretty much somewhere over here. Now we're going to also go and select here a warp, a phase distortion from the noise, but we don't have any noise, so we're going to activate the noise. Level down. Pitch a bit down, AC hum, and now we can activate this here. You can see how it changes the sound a little bit. Now B, we're gonna go here in the default wave Serum tables. We're gonna select a saw drift 303. A bit less, a bit more volume actually. We're going to choose here a hard clip from the distortion. And you can see how this changes overall with the sound. But we're going to pick the randomness and put it all the way down. And the phase all the way down as well. Now in C, we're going to select a basic shape sine. We're going to put the level a bit down. We're going to select here a bend plus minus. Almost like a saw wave as well. Phase and randomness all the way down. And envelope 1, we're going to modulate this here. But what is envelope 1? A bit of attack. A bit less sustain. A bit less decay. And a bit more release. Now, looking into this, what we have to do is pick this handle, put it a bit down, somewhere over here. Pretty much here, in the middle of M2. Now, this one has to go pretty much at the top of M2. And this one over here, pretty much at the middle of M3. So a little bit down. Now, filter MG low 24. And we're going to go and select A, B, and C. We're going to put the cutoff a bit up. And we're going to assign the envelope 1. But we're going to hold Alt Shift and make it bipolar. A bit of distortion. Drive actually, which brings a bit of saturation in the sound. Mild distortion in the sound. And a bit of fat, which also brings a bit of saturation in the sound, but it's a different kind of saturation. The resonance as it is. Now, the filter number 1, we're going to put it completely to bus number 1. And in bus number 1, we're going to go and start doing some effects. First of all, chorus. without. You can see how this adds a bit to the sound. We're gonna also change a bit of the delay settings. A bit of the low pass settings as well. Yeah, something like this. Feedback as it is, and a little bit less depth. Now a bit of delay. A bit more here. Normal 1/8 dot and a 1/8. Feedback as it is, the frequency a bit higher and the Q a bit down. Now we're gonna select two reverbs. First, we're gonna use a plate. Width, damp, pre, and size as it is, a bit less high. Now a hall. We're just gonna go bigger here. And lastly, just low cut this a little bit. Nice. Now we're gonna go back to the main, and in the main what we're gonna do is we're gonna start here with a low cut as well. Remember that according to the mix, the bus 1 then goes to the main, so everything that we're doing here is also going to be affected by the main effects. Low cut to start. Bit of distortion. Gonna use a soft clip. Without. Now we're also gonna go here in the envelope 1 and boost a bit of the drive here. EQ, we're gonna start by choosing here a bell. Let's go into this one actually. Boost here. A bit less, and a bit less Q here as well. A bit of dimension, no hyper, so hyper all the way down. Dimension size down. This is going to expand the sound a little bit. And just to finish everything, we're just going to use a compressor. Now, if you want to make this sound a bit tighter, you can go here and just put this a bit down. Different or tighter. And the cool thing about the original preset is that you have a lot of macros, you have a lot of modulations here to play around with. For example, cutoff, make it wider, and this gives you a lot of flexibility in the presets as well. If you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.